Welcome to Brain Vision.
So we have 30 kilograms of oxygen at 8.20 gauge pressure of atmosphere, which means the real pressure is 9.20 atmospheres. And we want to replace oxygen with helium, and we want to find out what mass m will correspond to 7 atmosphere gauge pressure, which means the real pressure will be 8 atmosphere. So we know that PV equal to nRT. In this case, pressure is changing, the volume remains constant, and the number of moles changes, which means P by N is equal to RT by V. We know the temperature and volume remain constant, so we can forget about this, giving us P1 by N1 is equal to P2 by N2, which means N2 is equal to P2 by P1 times N1. We know that number of moles of any gas is equal to the mass of gas divided by the molar mass of the gas, which means M2 by capital M2, where 2 stands for helium, so we can replace it with helium, is equal to pressure 2, which is 8 atmospheres, by pressure 1, which was 9.2 atmospheres, times N1 was for oxygen 30 kilograms by molar mass of oxygen. Therefore, mass of helium required is 8 by 9.2 times 30 kilograms times mass of the molar mass of helium is 4.0 is U, and the molar mass of oxygen is 32 U, giving us, when you substitute into a calculator, you can see that this is equal to 3.26 kilograms of helium.